Are you ready?
You ready?
Now listen up, this is Christopher Martin. We're here in Kenya and we had an awesome show last night. And the lighting was done by my friends from Kayla Stage Lighting. You understand? And I want to commend them because the one they didn't have as much time to prepare, but they did an awesome job. Fantastic job, and I appreciate their talent and I look forward to working with them again. I have no complaints, I have no faults. It was magnificent. So if they did that good a job with just one day, I just can imagine if they get like 2 weeks, 3 weeks to prepare. I'm looking forward to it. Kayla Lighting, much love, Martin and Darcy. Boom! Boom! We shall provide for this music. Now this is our city, you're not feeling it. See how the village in the village. I see to put it on the ground. You see how you know they're gonna we for hypocrites. What do you mean? Travel, drown and tourists. But every day in our entrepreneurs. See hypocrites, they my guy. You love no more, can't put up on you. I say you're right, you're right. But she migrated to New York when I was just 13. I was in love, so I kept it. I only know you love her. Only know you. Only know you when you're missing home. You're so ordinary people.